Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one hair oil which has really helped me to deal with my extreme hair loss. If you want to know more about this hair oil and what is unique in it, you need to just keep on watching. I was talking about this Viho hair growth oil, which is having a blend of all the natural oils. Along with that, it is having Redensil also. You must be thinking what made me buy this product. So yeah, let's talk about that also. So a month ago, I was suffering from extreme hair loss and extreme hair fall. My confidence was just dipping down. And if you guys watch my hair care videos, you must be aware of this fact that in my daily hair care regime, I use two oils very often. One is the coconut oil and one is the olive oil. That was a time when I understood that I need to incorporate some other natural oils in my hair care routine to stop this hair fall. But the problem was that, guys, I was not really willing to spend a lot of money in buying a lot of hair oil. So what I did, I went to Amazon to search for a product which is having all the natural oils in it, and I got many options, let me be very honest. But this Viho hair growth oil was the only oil which was having Redensil in it, and I was just surprised. You must be wondering what is this Redensil and what she is talking about. So yeah, let's find out what Redensil is. Now, Redensil is a new discovery of biotechnology. If you go to Google and search for Redensil, you will come across some shocking facts. Redensil is a component made of plant extract. That means it is 100% natural. Now, research says that it treats extreme hair loss. It is an alternate option of hair transplantation. Can you imagine? And it is having a zero side effect. It is not going to irritate your scalp, and that's the reason when I came across this Viho hair oil, which is having this component in it, which is having Redensil in it, I was shocked. I was shocked to see a product which is having Redensil in it, and that's the reason I went and bought it. I have been using this Viho hair growth oil for a month, I think more than a month, and I'm very impressed with the results. Now let me talk about the hair condition which I was going through before I started using this oil. I believe because of the pandemic situation, I was going through a lot of stress, and that's the reason my hair fall started at the first point. I was really not that bothered of my hair fall because now and then it happens, but it goes away, I become fine. I do a lot of DIYs and I thought I can control this situation. But it went bad to worse. When I used to get up in the morning and look at my pillow, I used to feel like crying. A bunch of hair was always there on my pillow. When I used to take a shower or when I used to comb my hair, the situation was really pathetic. That was the time when I understood that my hair really needs a proper treatment. But because of this pandemic situation, I was not able to visit a doctor. So what I did a little bit of research work in Google, and I came across two components. One is minoxidil and one is Redensil. Now the question is what to choose. Now researchers says that as long you use minoxidil, you reap all the benefits. But the moment you leave all the products, your condition will reverse back to the same as it was in the beginning. Apart from this, minoxidil has also a lot of side effects. Researchers has proved that Redensil is much more effective than minoxidil and it has zero side effects. Apart from Redensil, this hair oil is having a lot of other good ingredients such as onion extract, vitamin E, jojoba oil, amla oil, bhringraj oil, castor oil, and a lot more. After using this product for a month, I can tell you guys that this Viho hair growth oil has stopped my hair fall to an extreme level. Now I don't feel like crying when I get up from bed or when I comb my hair or when I come out of my washroom. Apart from this hair fall and hair loss issues, I would like to state some other good points about this Viho hair growth oil. It nourishes my scalp so nicely. It moisturizes my hair so well. It adds shine and luster to my hair. Now if you want to really grow your hair or if you want to have a healthy hair, you need to keep your scalp healthy. I love to use this oil in night time before I go to bed. I take little bit of oil and I massage my scalp very nicely. A good head massage gives you a good sleep also, let me tell you that. This hair oil is very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy, and it is having a beautiful smell. And if you keep the hair oil overnight, it gets the time to show its benefits also. But in case if you have some health issues like sinus, or if you catch cold very easily, you can't keep this oil overnight, that is no problem at all, because you can keep this oil for 3 to 4 hours on your hair, and then you can just wash it off with normal water. This will also give you good results, trust me on this. And let me give you some additional information, guys, that one of my friends also using this hair oil, but she is not having any kind of hair fall. She wants to keep her scalp healthy and she wants shiny and long hair, and she is using that. Before making this video, I just gave her a call and I asked about her feedback on this oil, and she is quite impressed, quite happy. Her hair is very shiny right now, and she is having a lot of hair on his head, and she is telling that she is feeling like, the volume of her hair is also increasing. So if you are having a lot of hair fall problem, or if you just want to keep your hair healthy and happy, I will highly recommend you to give this product a fair chance. And honestly telling you guys, it is not going to disappoint you. All the links of this product are given in the description box. If you want, you can go ahead and check it out. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.